Why you look so surprised, Savika? What happened?
Hi. I'm surprised because I was reading about these two guys known as Thomas and Arvind. They did something really nice. I'm going to tell you. Do you remember in 2016 we had a demonetization? So these guys, they have done something really innovative out of that. Out of the old money, the old shredded money, they've made it into a sustainable pencil. Isn't that fascinating, using all the waste and all that? Not just this, there's another guy known as Swapnil. He has done something really amazing in 2016. He had made an immersion heater known as Bud, which can sense the heating thing and get switched off on its own. Isn't that amazing? Like a good initiative to conserve electricity. Quite fascinating, right? And one more girl known as Abhilasha. She had done something really nice, which I personally liked. She has made foldable jute bags. Like, these people are actually making sustainability as a new trend, isn't it? But do you know one thing? What's the most common thing between them is? They all are NID students. Hello people, welcome back to Tiny Talk series with me Savika, and we are here with our yet another informative video. So in today's video we're going to talk about another premier college known as NID, National Institute of Design. Started in 1961 under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry of Government, National Institute of Design has a core focus on the industrial designing, that is research and scientific development of the industrial designing. So a little tiny fact about NID is that it was declared as the Institute of National Importance by the Parliament under the Act of NID 2014. So you know that NID has been there since forever. It's one of the oldest colleges and premier colleges which has given enormous amount of talent to our industry in every aspect over the years. Being one of the oldest colleges, NID has only a limited intake of students, that is 100 students for undergraduate and 245 students for postgraduate. So you see, being one of the nichest college, NID has only 3 major campuses, that is NID Ahmedabad, NID Bangalore and NID Gandhinagar. Besides this, there are newly opened 4 new campuses which are NID Kurukshetra, NID Vijayawada, NID Bhopal and NID Jorhat. So talking about the disciplines offered under NID, there are about 8 disciplines offered under UG program and about 19 disciplines offered under PG program. So you see that NID is something which specializes in specializing. So talking in detail about the disciplines, let's start with the UG program disciplines. The disciplines are bifurcated into 3 different industries, starting with the industrial designing, which includes glass and ceramic, furniture design and product design. Second comes the communication designing, which includes graphic designing, exhibition designing, film and video communication and animation designing. Lastly comes the textile and apparel designing, which includes only one discipline, which is textile designing. Talking about the PG disciplines now, which includes animation and film design, apparel designing, photography, then toy and game designing, and many more other disciplines which you can go and see on their website, that is nid.edu.in. Now, how much eligible you are to be in NID? So let's talk about the eligibility criteria to get into NID. Starting with the UG program. For UG program, you need to have a 10+2 qualification from any recognized central or state board. Then for a PG, you need to have at least a 4-year or a 3-year degree in any stream from a recognized institute or college. Now let's talk about the exam pattern, how you get through NID. So once you're done with your registration, you've got your admit cards, now you have to get through 2 phases. First is DAT prelims. That is all about written examination, and once you get through this written examination, you are then qualified for DAT mains, which is a studio test where you've been given situations, and after that you are qualified for the personal interviews. Being one of the oldest colleges, there is a cutthroat competition that goes on, as you know that there are very limited seats, and to justify those seats there are reservations given by the government, that is for SC, ST, OBCs and NRIs. Now comes the most concerning part, that is the fee structure. Fee structure for a UG program, you require 8 to 10 lakhs, and for PG program, it takes you around 5 to 7 lakhs. I hope this video would have helped you in getting a better picture about what is NID and how you can go through it. For more such videos, please stay tuned to Tiny Talk series with me, Savika, and do follow our pages on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.